Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joe Handy, the Android Authority App Guy, and welcome back to Android Apps Weekly. Let's jump right into some headlines. First up this week, Google will now be showing us sponsored app search results when we search for apps in the Google Play Store. It's too bad of all the things they could have given us from the actual Google search, they gave us freaking advertisements. AVG recently released a report that shows the applications that take up the most storage have the worst battery drain and use the most data. Yes, Facebook is on all of those lists. Google has launched Android for Work, which is a set of curated apps that help increase productivity for businesses and their employees. To check it out, head to android.com/work. Earlier this week, developer of Falcon Pro released a video slideshow showing how he developed his Falcon Pro application in just 3 weeks and what methods he used. It's a great watch, especially for developers. Last up this week, Google Play Music now allows you to upload 50,000 songs to their service for free. This is ostensibly to better compete with Apple and Amazon, but really it's great no matter how you spin it. If you want to see more headlines, updates, and app releases, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. I curate it myself, and I promise I will never send you any spam. The link is in the video description below if you're interested. Okay folks, let's take a quick look at the applications that made a big splash this week. If you want to check any of them out, the links are in the video description below. Flinks is a special kind of browser that opens up in floating bubbles instead of full screen like a normal browser, and it was updated to version 1.0, which means it has finally left beta. The update also brought a number of new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. It's totally free, so why not check it out? All Might Tree is a brand new 3D puzzle platformer where you play as an adventurer who must bring a balance to a crumbling world. It brings with it decent graphics, a fun story, and surprisingly good game music. It's $1.99, but there are no in-app purchases. There is the occasional bug here and there, but they'll get that ironed out soon enough. SoundHUD is a new app that helps you control your volume and does so without root. Using this, you can put your Lollipop device into actual silent mode if you want to, and there are a range of other features such as the ability to adjust only media volume on tablets. It's free to use with in-app purchases. Heaven Strike Rivals is a new tactical RPG out of Square Enix. It has some pretty decent graphics and similar battle mechanics to old school classics like Final Fantasy Tactics. Not exactly the same, but similar. It also has a bunch of other content for you to enjoy. It's free with in-app purchases, and it's worth a shot if you're a strategy RPG fan. YouTube Kids was released this last week by Google to generally positive reviews. It is a YouTube application that is geared specifically at kids and contains playlists with entertaining and educational content, again, specifically for kids. It's an app that all parents should at least try out, and it is totally free. The only issue is that if your kid is too old for this stuff, they have to go back to using normal YouTube. Once again, I'm Joe Handy, the Android Authority App Guy. While you're here, why not subscribe to the Android Authority YouTube channel? If you're hanging out for a minute, we have a couple of awesome videos for you to watch right over there, and they're also linked in the video description below for you folks on mobile. Finally, don't forget to check out the written companion, which is in the video description below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. As always, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day.